I often get some really ridiculous, crazy packages and like requests from a lot of these companies want me to review a product. And sometimes I oblige, sometimes I don't, because I think the product is so ridiculous and stupid that I don't want to look at it because I'm just not excited. Today's one of those days, so I just figured I'm just going to combine it all into one video. And yeah, so let's roll with it. So welcome back to Fast Fridays. What is up, everyone? I'm Original Dobo. Today is Fast Friday. You're watching Phones, Drones, and Tech, and if you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button. Today's video is going to be done in all 2.5 minutes total, we hope. So let's start off with the first object of review, and that is this case from a company called Shieldon, who sent out a leather case for me to look at, and let's go ahead and open it up. Basically, genuine leather case, blah, 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 blah. Thank you, service card, Shieldon.com. That was nice. That's a nice little touch to the case. So go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like, though. It comes in a nice little pouch, and it's a black case, and it's for the Galaxy S9 Plus. So if you have a Galaxy S9 Plus, this is going to fit that. I don't have an S9 Plus right now. It's like a pliable material. It's actually nice. Oh, it's got a magnetic clip, so it actually magnetically closes. That's pretty nice. I like that. What do you guys think of this? Magnetic case, open and close, Galaxy S9 Plus. Hard to really tell. There's so much chemical. I think I'm getting high off this case. Something I did not even want to review or look at, but was this. Company sent out Tai, I don't know how you say it. They sent another one of these cases for Apple AirPods. They saw my review, but the problem I have with them sending me this, if you're going to send me this, send me something different than I already reviewed. This is just a black silicone case for the AirPods. It's literally the same thing that I reviewed a few months ago. Only difference is they did include like this carrying case, a main carrying case that is waterproof. So it's called the Durham. It's waterproof. It's pretty nice, actually, this case, but I'm not going to use it for my AirPods. I'm actually going to use it for my Sony RX100. I think it'll fit in here like perfectly. This review next, so if you're interested in a Fitbit Versa, or if you were a really huge Pebble fan at any point, I am actually reviewing this. I'm Original Dobo. That was Fast Fridays. I will see you guys next week. Stay original.